Do you want bigger, stronger arms in a short amount of time? Then you're in the right place. In this fast and intense arm workout, we'll take you through a series of powerful exercises designed to target both your biceps and triceps, helping you get the maximum results in the minimum amount of time. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, these movements can be adjusted to match your fitness level. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the workout. The first exercise lasts for 45 seconds. Start in a standard push-up position. Rotate your hands slightly outward and place them a little wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your body in one straight line from head to heels. Now bend your elbows and lower your chest and body toward the ground. Get as close to the floor as possible while feeling your chest and arms working hard. Then push yourself back up with power to return to the starting position. Repeat this movement for the full duration. The second exercise also lasts for 45 seconds. Move into a knee push-up position. Place both knees on the mat and position your hands directly beneath your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from your knees to your head. Bend your elbows and lower your chest toward the ground. Just before your chest touches the floor, transition into the next movement by arching your back, lifting your head and pushing your chest forward while fully extending your arms. Feel the different muscles engaging during this stretch. Then bend your elbows again and return to the starting knee push-up position. Repeat. Rest for 15 seconds. The third exercise lasts for 45 seconds. This movement is designed to completely target your triceps. Stand with your back facing a chair or bench. Place your hands behind you on the edge and extend your legs forward. Lift your hips away from the bench and keep your upper body upright. Slowly bend your elbows and lower your body toward the floor until you feel a deep stretch in the back of your arms. Then contract your triceps and push your body back up to the starting position. Continue repeating the movement. The fourth exercise lasts for 45 seconds. Begin in a high plank position with your hands slightly in front of your shoulders and your legs extended behind you. Keep your body in one straight line. Lower your elbows one at a time until your forearms are on the floor. Moving into a standard forearm plank. Brace your core, then press firmly through your palms to push your body back up to the starting position with straight arms. Continue repeating this up and down motion. Rest for 15 seconds. The fifth and final exercise lasts for 45 seconds. Start in a forearm plank position with your elbows directly under your shoulders and your body perfectly straight. Now press up into a high plank, one arm at a time, placing each palm flat on the floor. As you lift, focus on minimizing the movement of your hips and pelvis. This will challenge your core and shoulder stability to the maximum. Then lower your forearms back down to the floor, one at a time, and return to the starting position. Repeat until the timer ends. Congratulations, you've completed this high-intensity arm blaster workout. Stay consistent, keep pushing yourself, and your hard work will absolutely pay off. See you in the next video.